So it's battle of the superstars, literally. Ahead of the high-stakes battle in Tamil Nadu, actor-politician Kamal Haasan has now issued a fresh statement as to why he's not contesting elections and why he believes that contesting from one seat is enough. Without naming Thalapathy Vijay from the TVK, he seemingly is now taking a jibe at him because Vijay this time is contesting from two seats, that is Trichy East and Perambur. Now, Kamal Haasan, who has been advocating for the DMK candidates and has been indulging in election campaign, he says that despite the fans requesting him to fight for more than one seat, he will, however, stick to one because he believes that he cannot betray the people of the other constituencies if he has to choose just one.
எல்லா ரசிகர்களுக்கும் சொல்லிக் கொள்கிறேன், ரசனைங்கிறது தனியா வச்சுக்கங்க, இது நாடு. இங்க இருக்கிறவங்களுக்கு தெரியும், இங்க இருக்கிறவங்களுக்கு தெரியும், அரசியல்னு வரும்போது தேர்தலுக்கு வரும்போது 2 தொகுதியில் நின்னுலாம் அப்படின்னாங்க. அதுவே தோல்வியின் ஆரம்பம்னு நான் சொன்னேன். ஏன்னா அந்த கடமையை செய்யணுமா வேணாமா? நான் அந்த மெட்ராஸ்ல ஒரு இடம் யாருக்கு துரோகம் பண்ண போறேங்க, அதனால நான் ஒரு இடம் போதுங்கிற சொல்ற அறிவு எனக்கு அப்ப இருந்தது. அது எப்பவுமே இருக்கணுங்கிறது என்னுடைய அறிவுரை. யார் வந்தாலும் ஒரு தொகுதி வாக்காளருக்கு துரோகம் செய்யறது தானே அது.
Let's talk about Vijay ki guarantee because he seems to be giving out this victory assertion because just a day to go before the elections actually happen. In one round in Tamil Nadu, he seems to have penned an open letter to the people of the state and he has been thanking them for their support and their encouragement and saying that TVK will emerge as one of the biggest parties that defeats the fascist forces, the evil anarchic forces, as he seems to be referring to the DMK and both the BJP. And however, he's now been saying that the day that he decided to enter politics, he's been expressing gratitude to the people of Tamil Nadu who had given him everything. And as far as when it comes to, despite the pressures and the constraints and the heartaches that he believes that he had to undergo in this entire political journey, well, he now has been saying that a lot of support that has come in from the people of Tamil Nadu, well, that he believes that will reflect when the election results are announced on the 4th of May. So let's get you exactly when it comes to this decision that Vijay has undertaken when it comes to contesting from 2 seats and what he believes that could be the guarantees that he is now offering to the people of Tamil Nadu while making his political debut. Because from Trichy East and from Perambur, these are the 2 seats that he has decided to contest elections. And every time usually that he's been on the streets for election campaigning, well, he seems to have run in trouble as far as with the authorities is concerned. But both sides, neither the BJP nor the DMK seems to be taking Vijay and his party very seriously. However, he is making his political debut, but Vijay being Thalapathy, and of course, when it comes to his popularity is concerned, he seems to have garnered a lot of popularity on ground with the masses, and he seems to be now thanking people for the same. So, as far as this open letter that he has now penned to the people of Tamil Nadu, he says that this letter is to speak freely from the heart and who have generously given me everything for my sake. And his own kin who have given everything have inflicted unspeakable pressures and constraints and heartaches. But our people know well that a political adversary, the anti-people force of DMK and the BJP, a resolute power that battles in the field against policy adversaries and many others. And Dharani, good morning. This is where Vijay believes that he will have a certain stand and he will have a certain say as far as elections are now concerned in this open letter that he has penned for the people of Tamil Nadu.
Well, Kamal Haasan was campaigning for Trichy East DMK candidate Inigo Hirudayaraj yesterday, where he made this very interesting statement. He has told that political leaders should not be contesting from 2 assembly constituencies because that is not a very responsible idea. If they end up contesting from 2 assembly constituencies and if they have to give up 1 constituency subsequently, then that will be a betrayal to the people of that particular constituency, and this is not a very responsible thing to do as a politician, is what Kamal Haasan says. And he also says that in 2021, when he he was contesting in Tamil Nadu Assembly elections, at that time, many asked Kamal Haasan to contest from 2 seats, but he thought, that is not fair. So he contested from only 1 seat, that is the Coimbatore South seat, and it will be good if all understood this is what Kamal Haasan has told. So although he is not taking the name of TVK Chief Vijay directly in this particular statement, it can be confidently considered as a veiled attack towards TVK Chief Vijay, because at the moment in 2026, Vijay is the only top political neta in Tamil Nadu is contesting from 2 assembly seats, that is Perambur and Trichy East. Although Kamal Haasan is not taking the name of Vijay directly, this can be considered as a message to Vijay, but so far TVK has not responded to this particular statement from Kamal Haasan. So it looks like there is an all-out Kamal Haasan versus Thalapathy situation in Tamil Nadu.
The same fraternity as far as when it comes to Kamal Haasan and being of the opinion, because he's not contesting elections, but he believes that contesting from 1 seat is enough, because he believed that he would be betraying the other seat if he decides to choose just one. But as far as Vijay is concerned, he is one of those netas who is now contesting from 2 seats, which is Trichy East and Perambur. And why he has made this particular selection, there is a lot of thought and strategy that has gone into it. Over 2.17 lakh voters coming in from Trichy East, over 2.84 lakh voters coming in from Perambur. And as far as when it comes to these 2 areas are concerned, they are currently to be DMK strongholds. And both of them has enough of the Christian voter base is something that he seems to, in a way, attract. He also coming in from the same community. But however, when it comes to minorities are also concerned, there is a significant Muslim population from Trichy East, and also a robust Vellalar community base as well when we speak of Perambur. And also urban electorate is something which Vijay now seems to be banking on, and this seems to be when it comes to the larger railway network as well, and the promises that he has now made, especially to the urban electorate. And the anti-drug zones is something that an anti-incumbency that seems to be on the factor that he now seems to be driving as far as the election results is concerned. So Vijay ki guarantee, especially when it comes to the TVK, which is now contesting, the leader who is now contesting in these 2 seats, is something which he now seems to be talking about in this open letter that he is now penned for the people of Tamil Nadu. So the Vijay factor, the Thalapathy factor is something that, however, both sides, whether it comes to the DMK and the BJP for now seem to deny, but it remains to be seen whether TVK will actually be playing any role of a game changer or a kingmaker, or will Vijay prove to be an X factor in the battle for Tamil Nadu? Because as far as Vijay's letter is now concerned, there seems to be another strategy on part of the DMK, because Stalin, the chief minister, has